Okay, anyways, so this video is just about how yes, I know, I do like my own videos, but I bet all of you have done that at least before. Like, if you guys have a channel, I feel like you guys liked your own videos, cause for sure I like my own videos. Because like if more people comment on the video, then it will recommend it to more people, cause what's it called? I don't know, cause like I guess it will think like it will recommend it to more people, thinking, oh yeah, there's more comments and likes. Oh, somebody will also like this then. Okay, even if they're like hate comments, I'm pretty sure. I don't know for sure. So yeah. Of course I like my own videos. They'll get like 50, like let's just say they usually get like 100 or 50 or like 100 or 1,000. Yeah, that's what my videos usually get. Okay, I like my own videos. I feel like all of you do it, I swear. Or I cannot be the only one liking my videos for sure though, because yeah. And if you're wondering why am I playing Subway Surfers, is because I kind of deleted it and then I was like, wait a minute, I deleted Subway Surfers. I do not know why I deleted it. I think I needed like more space, so yeah, I deleted it. And I don't know why I'm using Subway Surfers. Well, I guess it's because I didn't really know what else to do. So yeah, I'm just playing Subway Surfers while talking. To be fair, this is probably gonna get, let's say I feel like this is gonna get like at least like 100 likes. But not likes, I meant views. Okay, one thing though. Thank you for 33 subscribers. Somebody unsubscribed, so I was like, okay. But yes, thank you for 33 subscribers. I did not mention this before, but I am aiming to go to 50 subscribers so I can do a live stream for one of my friends. Like, I'm thinking like of doing like maybe trying to do a live stream during the summertime. But like, it only depends if I have 50 subscribers. Because you either have to be 18 to do a live stream, or you have to have 50 subscribers. Which I was confident in getting 50 subscribers because like I had 28 subscribers, and then like I posted a video, but I got 2 subscribers from one of my videos, and then I don't know what else other videos I got subscribers from, because the other, like I had like 28 and then I got like 34, so that's like 9, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. That's like 6 more subscribers. And if I didn't do the math right, I'm just tired. I'm tired. That's a lame excuse, but like, yeah, I'm tired. I should be going to bed because I'm actually supposed to be going out to with friends tomorrow. But I don't have to worry about that because we're not really going in the morning. Unless I want to have a shower, which I do. So yeah. Oh, I just hope this is a short because people don't really look at my long videos. And do not subscribe if you don't like my channel. Don't I know that's not helping my channel, but do not subscribe if you don't enjoy it, kind of, I guess. Thank you if you do enjoy it and if you do subscribe, but don't just subscribe because you're oh, she wants to have 50 subscribers. Okay, that's just what's it called? Oh, subscribe to me, which no, don't do, because then you'll probably just unsubscribe later. So yeah, so if you actually enjoy it, then yeah, subscribe maybe. But yeah. Oh, I don't know, I just stopped talking right there. Oh, my bad if you guys heard me get muffled. Well, not if I sounded muffled because the speaker was kind of rustling against my blanket. So yeah, my voice might have been muffled. Ah! Oh no. Okay. Okay. That's just my high score because like I said, just got this again. And it is currently 1:19 a.m. So yeah, I should actually be editing this video and posting it. But I already posted a video not 30 minutes, 10 minutes ago. So yeah, I'm just gonna post it.